Hello, this is Robert Mawson, and this is CD 2 in a series of 3 guided crystal ball meditation presentations. Please sit on a firm cushion on the floor with your legs crossed in a half lotus position, with your right leg resting on your left leg. If you're unable to sit like this, you may sit in a comfortable chair with your body erect. Place your hands in your lap, palms upward, your right hand over your left one, the tip of the index finger of your right hand gently touching the tip of the thumb of your left hand. Make sure your hands feel relaxed. Softly and gently close your eyes as if you were falling asleep. Take 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. When you exhale, do so with pursed lips, as if you were blowing a soap bubble through a plastic ring as you did as a child. Then breathe naturally. Let go of all of your cares and all of your worries. Fill your mind with happiness and joy, and sit with a smile on your face. Relax all the muscles of your body, from the top of your head to the very tip of your toes. Relax. Relax your forehead and your eyelids. Relax the muscles at the side of your eyes. Relax your cheeks and your chin, and make sure your jaw is loose and slack. Relax the muscles around your neck and in your shoulders. Relax your upper arms and feel the feeling of relaxation flow around your elbows and down through your forearms and around your wrists. Relax the muscles in your hands and in your fingers, all the way out to your fingertips. Relax. Relax your chest and your trunk. Relax the muscles around your waist and in your stomach. Relax your shoulder blades and every muscle in your back, all the way down to your lower back. Relax. Relax your buttocks and your upper legs, and feel the feeling of relaxation flow around your knees and down through your lower legs and around your ankles. Relax the muscles in your feet and in your toes, all the way to the tip of your toes. Relax. Relax every single cell in your body. Now imagine that your body is totally empty, devoid of all organs and organic matter. Imagine that it's just an empty space inside. Picture a place at the center of your body, 2 finger widths above your navel, and imagine a bright, shining crystal ball floating there. The crystal ball is about the size of a golf ball. And notice how pure and bright and shiny it is. Concentrate your mind here, and concentrate your mind on this crystal ball. And if your mind wanders away and random thoughts arise, just bring your mind back to your body's center and the crystal ball. Keep concentrating softly and ever so gently on the crystal ball at your body's center and relax. If at this time you do not visualize the crystal ball, don't worry. Just concentrate your mind at your body's center, 2 finger widths above your navel, and let go of all thoughts and just relax. Relax and let go.